Welcome to my YouTube channel Kidzstars. Hope you are fine and doing great. Today in this video guys you will see the Ivanita Lomeli listening the Dobre Brothers car sounds to Dobre Brothers and Lucas Dobre listening Ivanita Lomeli car sound to Ivan. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's enjoy the video. Wow, this is so good. So nice.
Sound does your gun make?
Best entertainment fun of Lucas and Marcus. Cyrus and Lucas Dobre with Ivanita. So funny.
What sound does your gun make? What sound does your gun make?
Whoa! Whoa!
So nice.
Whoa!
What sound does your gun make?
So guys, thanks for watching the entertainment fun of Dobre Brothers and Ivanita Lomeli together. Hope you guys will like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you.